We're all driving Beamers. Nobody do bull. Chanel likes that mate. Got a man down already. This is clean. This M4, it looks so good. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me here with my straight pipe BMW M4. And today we're going to be heading over to M-Town, where there's going to be over 20 BMW M cars. And we're going to be going on a nice scenic and spirited drive with about 3 different destinations. So with that being said, let's hop inside the M4 and get on with today's POV drive. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love this car. So before we continue on with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is OBD11. OBD11 is an officially licensed smart vehicle assistant that allows BMW and Volkswagen Group vehicle drivers to diagnose and customize their vehicles with a smartphone. And this is the OBD tool itself. You're gonna wanna plug this bad boy in right down low in your OBD port. So once it's plugged in, you'll see a red ring around the OBD tool itself. That way you know it's powered. The next thing you wanna do is either start your car up or just turn the ignition on. And once that's done, you wanna download the OBD11 BMW app, connect to the device via Bluetooth. So once that's done, you're officially connected to your car. From here, you can scan your vehicle for any codes, faults. So just in case you're on the side of the road, or you get some weird codes on the go, you can immediately see what those are. And you can get pre-made custom coding and hidden features that aren't there from the factory. And for example, I've always wanted to know what it's like to have the rear view camera on while driving. So we're gonna go ahead and just tap that. We already have a preset already made, and we can change this from default mode to always active. Go ahead and click activate. The feature is now activated. So let's go see if it works. Just like that, you can see we are in motion and we have the camera turned on. All I had to do is click this button down here. I think this is probably my favorite part about the app. You can really customize your car, make it your own. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check out those links in the description. Make sure you use the code BeemerFam for 10% off, so you can make sure when you're on the road and something goes wrong with your car, you have an officially licensed by BMW or VAG OBD tool to take care of the problem and see really what's going on with your car. So with that being said, let's get back on the road and get on with today's POV drive. So you guys join us bright and early on the highway. We only have about a 5-minute drive, so let's go ahead and pull up, park up, and see what kind of cars are at today's event. Oh man, look at the mountains out here. The sun is just starting to come up, so we got a good looking day today. So we got the M4 parked up. You can see we have a big group of M cars here, different colors, a lot of Alpine white ones over there, but nice red F80. Man, beautiful. I think this is KG's Lime Rock Orange E92 M3. Go ahead and check his page out. Man, this is my first time seeing this car in person. God, I love this color. Then we got also a nice G80 M3 black with orange accents. A purple M3 we've seen in the last video. We got Song's M6, those R's E46 M3, super clean, supercharged, everything. More E92s, F80s, M8 Competition Grand Coupe. Now this is nice, all blacked out spec. You don't see these every day. M4 CS with the OEM OLED tail lights. So you can see there is a little bit of a difference. These definitely look better in person. But man, this is a nice setup. Nice Hockenheim silver on this M2 competition. But man, look at the BBSs on this E90. 3D sedans, the 4-door V8. That is sick. I mean, all these cars are sick, but check out this G82 with the new front end. Looks like Anthony changed the wrap on it from AA Concepts Co. Got the wheels on it, even these fender grills as well. And this setup, man, is just mean. It's lowered, has a wing on it as well. And also, he's AWE gang with the exhaust. So it'd be nice to hear this thing on the road and just see what it sounds like. Pop in the hood. All that carbon fiber. So we pretty much checked out all the cars. We're about to hop in the M4. We actually have about 2 different destinations we're gonna head to in today's video. So we got a nice drive for you guys to enjoy. We're gonna take you along the POV. So let's hop inside the M4, get on the road. So as you can see, everybody's got the cars started up, active and everything. This is M-Town right now, so this should be a nice M-Town vlog for you guys to enjoy. That doesn't sound right. You hear that?
So he has a comp too?
Yup.
Hey. I'm just checking it.
Yeah,
Oh,
turbo leak.
It's a splitter.
Oh, damn. We got a man down already. Oh my God.
Damn.
Oh my God. The soundtracks right now is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. This is not M-Town. I don't know what it is.
Oh, that's
Chanel likes the M8. Oh my, man, look at the Hollywood Hills with the clouds going over. This is a nice environment right now.
yeah, it's beautiful.
Man, I love this car. Oh, listen to that. Look at this G83. Let's check out this G80 M3 rolling. So sick. I like the spoiler he has on that as well. It's like M Performance. I know, right?
He was like,
Oh, he's dropping the gearbox. All right, let me go. See, we got the M4 parked up, the second location, and you can hear it's M-Town on the street, so you can hear they getting it going. You can see KG's, Lime Rock. I mean, you don't often see this car. It's not a wrap, it's paint, man. It's OEM, but oh my God. You know, you see the M4 CSs pretty often. You never really see the M3s. That's really nice. This video is M-Town certified. I've never seen so many M's on a drive in one place in my life, so I'm really enjoying this. Shortly here, we're gonna actually hit the canyons. We're gonna go get on some driving roads and just go from there. Check out this G80 M3 with the purple color, the new M Performance exhaust with the kind of different diagonal design. Let me know what you guys think about this setup. I'm personally not the biggest fan. I probably wouldn't go for that option. I like the more traditional look, but it still looks really cool. Not to mention the whole spec on this car, the purple with the red interior, black wheels, giant carbon fiber diffuser as well. I mean, this is just a sick spec. Oh my god. It's a nice M4 GTS. See that nice aggressive front splitter. Nice E46 M3 with like a louvered hood, BBS wheels, red interior as well. Black on red interior is one of my favorite specs. This all white G80 M3. We got a nice X5M in blue and a Sao Paulo yellow M4 with blue interior. So
Be cool. 101 freeway, exit Cannon. We're gonna make a left all the way down.
Right.
Oh, right. We're going all the way down to
Westward Beach, and there's like a parking lot like all the way in the back. It's like empty, and we can just like park there and take pictures. Anthony brought his camera so we can get photos.
Obviously, we all know how to drive. We're all driving Beamers. Nobody do bullshit. No double, no going over double yellow lines. No boy. Don't be stupid, please. Don't drive like us. This is one of our first, times all of us are together now, especially in the new year. Let's not up, all right? Be safe, drive well, and let's have a good time.
So now it's time for part 2. Let's go ahead and hop back on the M4 and get back on the road. Oh my god. Unfortunately, we got disconnected from the group, so we actually took the wrong road. And hopefully we can get reunited with the squad. Man, look how green the hills are, the mountains. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that is clean. Yeah, look, all the M's, we caught up to them. But look at this 8 Series, this is clean. Look at the whole gang. Wow, we caught up to him, perfect timing. Look at that. Holy shit. Oh my god, just listen to the sounds. Holy shit. Look at this old school car. Look at the rear tire setup on this thing. That is wild. Very cool car. Also, this is nice too. Now we're about to park up at the beach. We got all the M's here. And also, we just hit 72,000 miles on the M4. So new achievement unlocked.
Yeah.
Had a nice lunch, a nice pizza, so shout out out to Daniel for hooking that up for the squad. But now we're gonna be heading back, hitting the tunnels and the canyons out here in Southern California. There goes Daniel. Shout out to Daniel for the pizza. We got our first tunnel. Oh my God. Anthony from AA Concept Codes. This M4, it looks so good. He's got the wheels, he's got the spoiler, the diffuser, the full Adro body kit, the new front bumper. It slammed to the ground. It looks so good rolling. Oh, it sounds amazing too. Once you see a G82 done up like how this one is, man, it really makes you think about things. They look so good, especially this rear end. The color on it, oh my God. Nice E36. Oh, that was sick. Wow, the views out here are incredible. I think we got our second tunnel, the long one. My ears are ringing after that. Ow. Damn, and my ears just popped. Oh my God, bro. I'm telling you guys. Oh. Man, this is literally what dreams are made of, man. These kind of cars with these sceneries and these tunnels. Oh, you can't get much better than that. Huge shout out to Life of KG for throwing this meet together, man. He's in the orange M3 up there. Really cool people, really cool vibes, man. It's just a really fun day so far. Yeah. Gonna get a closer look at the M4 next to the E92, the orange one. It's even got a mic on the trunk. That's really cool. Which one are you guys taking? My car, E92, or G82? What's up, man? Car looks sick rolling, bro. It's wild. So he's also got the AWE exhaust on his, so we're matching in that sense. Those rollers, though. That's do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video.